Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. For everyone that sources and ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, and you always make payments with bank card, you need to pay proper attention to this video and see how to fix the problem of refund fail, most especially if you make payments with a bank card on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I present with you a live case study and how this was successfully resolved without any stress. So let's get started. First thing first, let's go ahead and listen to this particular audio voice note right here.
Sir, I saw your video on YouTube concerning. So I'm actually in the same situation right now. 5th of this month, got some I paid with my Nora card. So I'm trying to buy a shelf. So I already paid, and when I paid, and I asked the supplier to ship out my goods, the supplier then told me the shipping address I listed, that shipping address I listed was not correct, that I should modify it. So I tried to modify the shipping that day, not do it. So I had to ask for a refund, and when I asked for a refund, I was not refunded immediately. I paid another month. After paying, the supplier said she cannot ship out my goods that very day, and I needed, I asked for another refund. I will be able to buy from another supplier. They all said they cannot ship out anything at that period. First one I did that I had to opt for another one. I requested for the first one. That makes it. I'm still trying to buy a bag. They told me that that one is out of stock, and that I'll be able to get match. So I asked for another refund. That makes it four. Right now, I've not been I've not been refunded. I'm scared. I'm scared. So I was trying to go around out refund. I want to get my phone.
Well said. You can hear the questions right here and back up with the proof that they have requests for about 4 refunded right here. You can see the total amount of the refund right here. Now, what happened here is that, so I give a response right here. Let me quickly brief what actually happened right here. This refund here was actually placed on Pinduoduo and it was successful. But the problem is that Pinduoduo find it difficult to remit the money back to the bank card. A lot of people are facing this problem. Sometimes when you make payment with bank card on Pinduoduo, the refund and you ask for a refund, the refund will be successful, and then the refund will be also as well successful credited back to your bank card. This depends on the type of bank card you are using. But in some bank card, it is always difficult for Pinduoduo to remit the money back into your bank card, whether Visa card or MasterCard. So this particular person here was in the category of difficulty in terms of remittance of the money back by Pinduoduo into the Visa or MasterCard they use for the payment, which is exactly what happened here. So my first suggestion here was that you have to contact your bank and explain everything to them. Even you can show them the screenshot and then let the customer support take it up from there. Now, this is another screenshot of the refund right here. If you take a look at it, so the refund was submitted right here and processing right here, but was not successful at this point right here. So when they went to the bank, And let's take a look, listen to this particular audio note right here again.
This one is showing us like this. It's not showing if they have refunded here or not. That one is showing refunded. Then Pinduoduo has let the refund.
So you can hear the voice note right here. Just read our chat right here. And here, good morning, sir. I just came back from the bank and they said the money has not been refunded. Thanks for the other day. I said, that's a big problem. What do you think I can do, sir? And this is a backup of another screenshot right here from Pinduoduo. Dear, your refund of 205 yuan is expected to be returned to your credit or debit card account. The system settlement will be delayed, but the refund will not be credited. Please rest assured, click detail of the refund. So you can hear, I told her here that they have not released the money yet. You have to wait and keep checking. So, okay, yes. So here, next time, don't use card for payment because of issues like this. Use Alipay to have rest of mind. This is just my recommendation, because if the payment was made with Alipay, Alipay refund is always instantly, except if you have issue with the supplier on Pinduoduo. So she said, I have learned my lesson. I'm just here. I pray they return it. I said, they will refund you. You know, Chinese holiday is still ongoing. You can get your money back after the holiday. So after the whole holiday of Chinese, it came back. This girl also came back to me, and then we continue from here. So you can see a new screenshot right here. Let's listen to the audio notes.
So they sent me this that I should. I don't know that. Someone told me that I must have an account that carries my name and the name of the bank card is for the transaction must be the same. And I don't have an account. Card that I understand what is
You see another issue here. This person payment here was made with bank card, but not their card. Instead of using her personal card, she used her mom bank card to make payment on Pinduoduo. There is no problem about using someone else's card to make payment on Pinduoduo, provided that the card is not stolen card. You have the person, provided that the card is not a stolen card, so in case you have issues like this. So you can use anybody's card to purchase on Pinduoduo. Now, my suggestion for this here is that ask the Pinduoduo support if you can use other people Alipay account, like a friend Alipay account, just to receive your refund successful. Okay, and tell the Pinduoduo support the reason why you don't have Alipay account, and at the same time you are not in China, so how they can help you out on this. Now, this was the response from the Pinduoduo support right here. This was the response. Let me just zoom out so everyone can see it right here. Dear, it does not matter if you do not have Alipay. Dudu can also help you change to platform coupon, which are valid for 50 years, except for virtual goods, gold, antiquities, jewelry, overseas shopping, and other special goods that can be used coupon other goods can use. In the future, you can use it when purchasing goods on the platform. You can collect the goods you want to buy, and you can combine the settlement to place an order, as long as the total amount of the order is greater than the amount of the coupon. So this was the recommended by the customer support. However, this is sound great, but at the same time, it is not friendly. So here, this is my recommendation, my response right here. That option is still okay, but later in the day, they agree to use the Alipay, just like what you see right here. So this is the next response from the support right here. You can provide your friend Alipay account number and rename to help you transfer the refund to Alipay. It's that simple. And this sounds very great, and I was happy to hear this. So if you find yourself in this category, in a nutshell, make sure you contact Alipay support. Charge them up with every proof that you request for a refund and the refund was successful and you did not get your money back into your Visa or MasterCard that you used to pay on Pinduoduo. When you chat up with them, their responsibility, they have the problem of remitting the money back into your bank card. Don't just ignore and forget about it. Work towards the successful of how you can get your refund back. Issues like this can come up at any point in time, provided that you are using a foreign bank card to make payment on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Quite a lot number of people are being victims of this and they lose a lot amount of money because not everyone really understand how Pinduoduo works. I was so much happy for this particular girl right here because she is going to get all her money back through the Alipay transfer, just like what you hear. So what I just told her here is that just give them payment QR code and they will definitely transfer the money back into the person Alipay QR code payment, provided that you trust the person. It's that simple. So if you find yourself in this category, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you gather all your evidence, chat up with the customer support on Pinduoduo, and make sure before you can do that, make sure you contact your bank issuer card, contact them and launch the complaint. If they confirm to you that the money was not successfully remitted back to your bank card, then the next step is to make sure you contact the Pinduoduo support and chat up with them with all the proof that you asked for a refund. The refund was successful, but you cannot see the money. So they will give you different options, just like what you can see right here in this video. It's that simple. If you still have issue for me, if you still have any other issue as far as Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app is concerned, you can also reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Let me see how I can use my personal shopping experience to help you out to solve some of the conflicts you may have between you, the supplier, or Pinduoduo support as far as sourcing and ship product from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app is concerned. Lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.